In this video, I'm going to show you how to show weather in Microsoft Edge in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and useful way to customize your Edge homepage so you can see the forecast right when you open your browser. If you like simple tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful videos. Alright, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge and make sure you're here on the home page or new tab page. On the page, look for the page settings icon. It usually looks like a small gear icon and you'll find it on the page itself rather than in the main browser menu. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the page settings. Once the settings panel opens, look for the option that says Show Weather. This option controls whether weather information appears on your Edge homepage. If it's turned off, you won't see the weather card or forecast display. Now simply toggle Show Weather on. As soon as you switch it on, Microsoft Edge should update the homepage and display the weather information for your location. Depending on your setup, you may also see additional weather details or a forecast summary. That's really all there is to it. In just a couple of clicks, you've enabled weather on the Edge homepage, making it easier to check the forecast every time you open your browser. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips and browser guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.